Greetings, greetings, greetings from Kingston, Jamaica. My name is Joanne Richards Goff. I am an ethnodoxologist. That simply means that I promote and facilitate the use of indigenous languages and music and other artistic expressions in the worship spaces. Yeah, in other words, we own a language and we own a music for worship God. So we have some really exciting news for you today. On the 30th of April, we'll be having a webinar and it is free. And here is what this webinar is all about. It's all about giving you more information about the Jamaican language and actually giving you basic guidelines on how to read the Jamaican language. Yes, sir. So look in the description box or in the comment section or wherever it is that you are seeing this video. Right there, you are going to find the link to take you to eventbrite.com where you can register for this webinar. You're going to be getting more news about it soon, but for now, just make sure you don't get left out of this webinar. How to read Jamaican Patwa. Basic guidelines with stories and songs with me, Joanne Richards Goff, and Owen Blacker Ellis. Yes, sir. Don't miss it. All right. Until next time, I give you some more information on what good and one love.
Jesus Christ.